This 2023 Forest River Ozark 1620BHLE is one of the most capable RVs for its value. Let's see why this is a favorite at the campsite. Starting inside, you'll immediately see your sofa with cushions that can be moved out of the way to reveal a sizable storage compartment for your freestanding table and other gear. Across from this is your kitchen, with a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop, and a fridge. Continuing into the back, make note of your bunks, with an open storage compartment under the bottom bunk. In the very back of your trailer is your bathroom. In the front of the trailer is your queen-size bed with overhead and cabinet storage. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.